Welcome to this English learning lesson. Today we will learn how to ask questions using the verb to have in the present tense. This is an essential skill for everyday conversations in English. When asking questions with have, we use helping verbs. For the subjects I, you, we, and they, we use the word do. For the subjects he, she, and it, we use the word does. For example, do you have a pen? Or does she have a pen? The formula for asking questions with have is do or does plus the subject plus have plus the object followed by a question mark. This structure works for all types of questions about possession or ownership. Here are examples using do. Do you have a car? Do they have time? Do we have homework? Do I have your number? Remember, we use do with I, you, we, and they. Now let's look at examples using does. Does she have a phone? Does he have experience? Does it have batteries? Does the dog have a name? We use does only with he, she, and it. When someone asks you a question, you can give a short answer. For positive answers, say, yes, I do, or yes, she does. For negative answers, say, no, I don't, or no, she doesn't. The answer matches the same helping verb used in the question. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't say, do you has a pen? Always use, do you have a pen? Don't say, does they have time? Always say, do they have time? And don't use the old English form, have she a car? Always use the modern form, does she have a car? Now it's time to practice. Try to fill in the blanks with either do or does. The first one, blank you have a notebook. The second, blank he have a bicycle. The third, blank they have pets. The fourth, blank she have experience. Try these exercises to strengthen your understanding of questions with to have.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.